That's so rude.
Yeah, our school's a piece of shit, that's why. Welcome, class. Graduating
Of 2017.
Class. Yeah, let me finish that. Welcome, class of Welcome, graduating class of 2017. That's how long it's been since we graduated high school. And guess what we didn't get to do? Decorate the freaking tops because
Canada sucks, that's why.
you basically have zero school spirit in anything possible and imaginable. You think of it, we don't got it. We got our caps like the day of that we graduated. They don't give it to you before, so that way you can't decorate them. What was I gonna show up with my glue and scissors the day of? Well, basically, Taylor and I had just seen cute things on Pinterest and even YouTube right now of people decorating their caps for their graduation. And because we never got to do that, we're gonna do it now 3 years after the fact. Brooke and I chose completely different themes. Of course, I went with my beloved High School Musical theme because I love High School Musical. I don't care what anybody says. So I'm doing a High School Musical theme on mine. I have a lot of favorite movies and I didn't pick any of them. It's from Finding Nemo too, or Finding Dory or something. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I just saw it online and I thought it looked cute. Does it really surprise anybody that Taylor's doing a beach theme? Like an ocean theme? No. But before we get into the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up because it really helps us out and it helps our channel out a lot. Subscribe because we're cute twins. Turn on the bell, the notification, so you guys can know when Taylor and I are going to be uploading, which is going to be every 4 days. So get on that. And also go ahead and give us a comment. Which one do you think was better? My High School Musical theme or Taylor's Finding Dory? I don't like competition. Yeah, let's get me a competition so we can just do it now. You're tugging on my hair. Would you knock it off? Jesus. Let's get into the crafting. Let's graduate. Okay, wait. You said that these stick right on, right? Yeah, there's a backside to them. And because it doesn't fit exactly. It's not filming, is it? Yeah. Oh, it is? Mm-hmm. I was wondering why you were talking like that.
Like what?
Like you were just
like
on.
myself?
God, dude, this is fucking forever. You know what's really annoying? As a left-handed person, I just had to adapt to the world. I just had to adapt to what society wanted. Okay. I can use my little glittery paper and do a little glittery button. Ooh. We're gonna be obsessed with that. I'm a dreamer. Let's put a clip of that in. About brain. Ooh. Ooh. I'm pretty sure I hit it better than you. I don't care. Ooh. Let me say I'm a dreamer. The way she fucking does that part, I dreamer. She like sticks out her tongue. You just gotta stick your tongue out a bit. That's exactly what I just said. When we graduated, if we could decorate our caps, I would definitely have like a little, I'd invite friends over and be like, yeah, right? Like, we'll have a like cute little sleepover. Decorating cap session. I actually did see girls do that, and they it was on Pinterest, and they all took photos together, and they were like decorating their caps. And I'm like, wish I had friends. I feel like though back then I wouldn't have picked anything as good. I'm kind of nervous about what I would have picked. I definitely would have done 21 Pilots, something 21 Pilots. Maybe me too. I think I just went with High School Musical because I'm really into High School Musical days right now. She's watching every movie that has Zac Efron in it. Yeah, I'm not for Charlie St. Cloud, The Greatest Showman. You just watched the Ted Bundy movie. You're watching hers. Yeah. I just watch everything with him in it because he's just 17 again. Yeah. Oh my god, yes. He looks so good in that movie. Are you joking? It's Zac Efron. Who could not have a crush on Zac Efron? He's on. What? I will admit, young Zac Efron's where it's at. Yeah, I agree with that too. Troy he's just too old now. Yeah, he's definitely old now, but But then again, I'm getting older. He's literally 30. You're just 20. What are you talking about? It's legal. I'm pretty much a graphic designer, so hit me up. Don't hit me up. I don't think I'll do that. For somebody else. Just awkwardly carries on. Brooke, you're supposed to be my friend, not my enemy. Good thing we're in control of editing and we can cut that shit out. If I'm editing it, I'm not cutting that out. Brooke, don't be Timmy dirty. Don't be Timmy dirty. I wish there was a way to know you were in the good old days before you left them. You know? Who said that, Troy? No. Who said that? Andy. Hey, Curse. Making our graduation caps. 'Cause, you know, I'm graduating this year, so. So proud of
She
myself.
definitely doesn't think you're funny.
Yeah,
She just laughed.
That was like the weakest laugh, wasn't it? Can you see ya? Fucking weirdo.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Why did I do that? Okay, so I was like, you know, super bored the other day. Who isn't anymore?
Does the button come off?
Brooke, would you just let me tell my freaking story, man? You just made me mess up my E. Wow, this is just 10 minutes of Brooke not supporting me. I was bored the other day, just like everybody else, you know how it goes. And I decided to write myself an email. So I wrote myself up a future email, getting ready to send it to myself. You know what I noticed when I was writing it? From the date that I wrote it, I would have already graduated. Isn't that, like, I mean, it kind of goes with the theme, like what we're doing right now.
What do you mean?
Because it's going to come to me in a year. And I wrote it not like a week or two ago, and I would have already, in a year from now, I'm going to be graduating already. Isn't that so freaking weird and kind of creepy, but like fun and cool?
Oh my god, guys, I actually put the button around it perfectly.
Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
I should be a professional cap designer. Let me know if you want your cap done. I got you. Someone DMs you like, so
No,
hey, I
that's
saw
a
your
lot of
video.
I saw your video. I'm having my virtual graduation soon.
You're such a good cap designer.
Can I send you my cap?
I need you.
Wait! Maybe you're not as good as a cap designer as you thought you were.
Hey, now.
How do you think you're doing? Not too bad. This is a little rocky, but that's okay. Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
It's taking a while.
Yeah,
A
so
lot longer than anticipated, people. We've actually been doing this for like 2 hours. Whoa, head rush. I feel dizzy as fuck. So I finished up mine. Brooke's is like taking a lot longer because she has a way longer quote than me. How would you say yours looks out of 10? What were you expecting it to look better, worse, about the same? I think I did exactly pretty much what I was envisioning. I am a bit disappointed that, you know, in Canadian high schools, like we just get way smaller caps, so it kind of didn't really fit as much as I thought it was gonna. There just wasn't enough room, so. Yeah, it's really strange. Ours just seemed like so small. Catch up with you guys back when, catch up with you guys back? What am I trying to
catch
say?
up back with you guys.
Catch up back with you guys when Brooke's a lot more moving along. And
Your English is terrible today.
we will come back with you guys when I'm pretty much have everything stuck on and when our caps are ready. So we are back from making our caps. It took way longer than I had expected.
What about you?
Way longer than I expected. Yeah, literally. My fingers are all sore from burning them with hot glue. All right, let's just show you them. 3, 2, 1. Those are the caps, man. Those are the caps. So you can really tell I went for a High School Musical theme because I had red and gold. I have the Wildcat, and then the quote on it is the same from the second movie. I know it's blue, so it kind of like doesn't really go, but it's fine.
okay.
Honestly, I'm very surprised with my button abilities. I got that shit on there. Good button abilities.
Thank you.
I'm pretty sure Gabrielle goes, here's to the future, and he goes, no. Here's to right now. Yeah, he goes, no. Here's to right now. And I go, and he goes in for a
Speak
kiss.
the truth, Troy. Speak the truth.
Okay, mine is much simpler, and it just says, see you later, dudes. And then the little turtle guy, that's, you know how they're all like hippie, they kind of just sound like hi all day, every day. Add my little, like aloha flowers, and there you go. Boom, bam. It's so cute. It really matches your vibe. Like, throwback to when you were in high school, you used to crip your hair every day. It totally would have went with your vibe. You know what I mean? Yes. I think what I like about Taylor's a lot, too, is that because it's blue and, like, our gowns and our caps were blue, it, like, goes together good. Those are our caps. Taylor and I are actually at the one day when we do not know what's coming next in the filming process. I know a couple things. I have some ideas. Oh, well, she hasn't shared them with me. Hey, how you doing? Didn't see you there.
From this angle, that was so funny.
I can't really bend my neck that well.
I would be
a terrible dancer. So yeah, see you next video. It's gonna be amazing.
Who knows?
It could be the next big hit, guys. Stay with us. We're trying to grow our channel, and
We hope you guys can grow with us. And let's go, Taylor. Let's go wear our caps.
Let's go graduate.
We'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!
Celebrate.